Healthy living is a lifetime commitment, a commitment made easier with juicing for weight loss and juicing for health. That's the reason why fad diets may come and go. Juicing machines make weight loss juicing at home a reality, and our heavily researched juicing information provides useful tips on weight loss and dieting tips for juice lovers. You will lose weight juicing if you consume any type of juices. Replacing some meals with fresh juice helps you eliminate fat and cholesterol from your diet. If you notice that most vegetables and fruits are fat-free and low in calories. Juices are high in carbs. If you are watching your carbs, stick to green vegetables, berries and melons. Fresh juices can help to reduce feelings of hunger or cravings, a big help when on a weight loss diet, by quenching your appetite. Some of them are appetite stimulants: kika, coriander and basil. Fresh carrot or parsley juices are especially effective in curbing appetite and cravings by helping to maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Do not throw away the pulp after preparing a juice. When you juice your fruits and vegetables, you are removing the beneficial fiber from them. Put that fiber back into your diet by using your leftover pulp in soups and healthy baked goods, or stir a little of the pulp back into the juice before drinking it. Now that you know a little about the benefits of juices, learn how to make the 5 best juices to lose weight. Write down the ingredients. Are you enjoying the video so far? Leave a comment to let us know if we are contributing to inform you. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. 1. Papaya passion. 1 medium papaya. 1 red delicious apple. 5 dates pitted. Blend everything and prepare for something out of this world. 2. Strawberry delight. 4 or 8 strawberries. 1 or 2 bananas. 8 or 10 dates. 3. Mango magic. 1 or 2 ripe mangoes peeled. 8 dates pitted. Juice of 1 orange. 4. Durian Deck. 24 ounces of durian. 1/2 orange. Blend both. 5. My milkshake * tastes much better than yours. 2 cups of durian. 8 dates. 2 bananas. 1 teaspoon of carob powder. Juicing to lose weight is healthy for the body, and this will get you in a good shape too. Juicing and following a diet will help you lose weight instantly. This is a renowned weight lose program and is admitted by most of the dieters. Juicing, you will say hello to health and happiness. Thank you for spending some time with us. Natural Cures. Give us your opinion on this video. If you liked the video, share it with your friends. For more information, subscribe to the channel.